Okay, it's part 2 here. So if I look at a periodic table, I find that Li is called lithium. So I'm going to go ahead and write the name of that in the space here. I also look on my periodic table and I see that lithium is atomic number 3. I see that on the periodic table, lithium has an atomic mass of 6.94, which would round to 7, which I've already put those in there for you guys. Okay, so we have the atomic number, which is the number of protons or electrons in the atom. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that 3 down here. So I know that I have 3 protons and I have 3 electrons. Again, that is what this atomic number means. Now, if I have 3 protons, 3 electrons, but the atomic number is 7, to figure out the neutrons, I have to subtract the number of protons from the atomic number, and I would have 4. So again, in order to have an atomic mass of 7, I would need 3 protons plus 4 neutrons. So 3 plus 4 is 7. I know, and I will put up a list of these, that lithium is a solid. Okay, now we have 3 electrons. So what we're going to be doing here, I'm going to take my little drawing tool. As I mentioned in our last video, we can fit 2 of the electrons in that first level or ring. And then we'll just put the other last one maybe in here. Okay, so then I'm going to take this outer electron and I'm just going to put it right here. So these are just different ways to show the electrons in the element. So to explain more about why we're doing this, electrons are what allow elements to bond or stick together. And it's these electrons in the outermost level of the element that will bond to each other or stick together. So this thing called the Lewis dot structure just shows the electrons in the outermost level of that element, because that tells us what else this thing could possibly bond with later. Okay, so we'll do one more together, and then you guys are going to work on this independently. So I look at my periodic table. I know that neon is number 10. E for neon. I've already put in the atomic mass there. If we have 10 for the atomic number, I know that I'm going to have 10 protons, 10 electrons, and I can see really easily here that in order to get to 20 for my atomic mass, there must also be 10 neutrons. I have 10 protons plus 10 neutrons would equal 20 for my atomic mass. Neon is a gas, and it has 10 electrons. So how this is going to work, I'm going to do 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can fit 8 in this outer ring. And then for neon, right around here, I'm going to put 8 of these right around like so.